First time I went to China was in 1998. I was 29 years of age, something that I will treasure for the rest of my life. I then went back in 2005 with my father. Wow, that was incredible. I have some amazing memories that you can see. China transformed my life, my attitude, my way of thinking. I was bitten by the culture, and oh my gosh, I am so proud and so delighted and honoured and humbled to say that my son is going to join me going over to China. We're starting off in Shanghai, and we are going to make memories that are going to live with us for the rest of our lives.
In less than 24 hours, I'm going to be in China. I'm so excited and I'm feeling so many different emotions. I'm excited for the people, the food, and the experiences, and the great landmarks inside China itself. This is going to be so crazy and such a good experience for a young person just like myself. Well, without further ado, let's get the China trip on its way. Let's go. Okay, it's morning time. We've just got ready. We've got the bags packed. We're about to put them in the car and get on the train. So, let's go. Hello, we're at the train station right now. I think the train just arrived and we're going to jump on it to go to London. So let's go. London University.
Super excited. Full English.
大家好。
Hey, there he is.
再见。
Off we go.
You can smell it. You can smell the freshness of it.
Here we are, Ethan, in the car park.
This is crazy. The shopping centres I've been to are not like this at all.
It is, isn't
Super
it?
clean, super nice,
Beautiful, isn't
and
it?
efficient. It's beautiful. Happy Street.
Delicious?
Unfortunately, last night I crashed out because of the jet lag and was really tired, so I had to go to sleep. But what can I say about China so far? I feel really appreciated. Everything is so clean. The people are super friendly and nice. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my time here. I'm out of words. I'm breathless. I'm speechless even. What can I say?